Are you a learner or are you a whiner? A learner looks at a situation and says, what can I learn from the situation? How can I grow and become more mature through a difficult situation? A whiner simply grumbles and complains about the circumstances and makes everybody miserable, including themselves. A learner will look at difficult people in their lives and say, what can I learn about adjusting and bearing with and setting boundaries with this person? Whereas a whiner looks at a difficult person and just grumbles and complains about how annoying they are. A learner looks to the Lord and says, Father, what do you want to teach me about my own self-centeredness and dying to self and living to you to glorify you? Father, what do you want to teach me in your word? Whereas a whiner grumbles and complains about every difficulty in their lives and often is looking to what can I get instead of what can I give or what can I learn. So let's choose to be a learner like the psalmist who said, teach me your ways, O Lord. Lead me in your plain path away from my enemies. Let us be learners who are looking to the Lord to teach us every step of the way. Let us do less grumbling and complaining and more learning and saying, Lord, teach me. Show me your ways. Help me to grow. I hope you have a great week this week, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week here at Positive Life Principles.